Anthropic just secretly built the most dangerous AI product stack on the planet, and most people still have no idea how it works. There are 3 models, 3 completely different use cases, and 1 hidden product almost nobody talks about. By the end of this, you will know exactly which Claude to use, when to use it, and why companies are betting millions on this stack right now. Let's start at the bottom of the pyramid. Haiku, the entry point. The fastest, cheapest model Anthropic has ever shipped. Haiku 4.5 is here to move fast. Think customer support bots, content classifiers, and live autocomplete. Jobs where you need 10,000 responses a day without spending a fortune. At $1 per million tokens, Haiku is the workhorse of high-volume automation. It does not blink. It just works. But here is the thing most builders get wrong. They use Haiku where they should be using Sonnet, and that single mistake costs them users every time. Sonnet is the sweet spot. Sonnet 4.6 runs inside most serious enterprise products right now. It is fast enough for production, smart enough for real reasoning, and priced to scale. $3 per million tokens. This is the model writing code, analyzing contracts, and handling data pipelines for Fortune 500 companies. It is the default, the reliable one. But what if the problem is genuinely hard? That is where Opus comes in. And this is where things get interesting. Opus 4.7 is not just smarter, it thinks differently. Anthropic calls it adaptive thinking. When Opus hits a hard problem, it reasons. It slows down, builds internal chains of thought, and gives you an answer a junior developer could not write in 3 hours. Deep research tasks, legal document synthesis, code-base level refactoring. This is Opus territory. You do not use Opus for everything. You use it for the jobs that cannot be wrong. Now here is the open loop you need to stay for. There is a 4th model in this stack. It is not available to you. It is not available to most companies. And it is arguably the most capable AI system Anthropic has ever deployed. We will get to it in a moment. First, let's talk about what sits on top of the models, because models are only half the story. Claude Code is a command line tool turning Sonnet or Opus into an autonomous developer. It operates using custom skills. Point it at a code base. Describe the feature. Claude Code uses its skills to read files, run your specific testing frameworks, write the implementation, catch errors, and commit the changes, all from your terminal. Developers using Claude Code report cutting implementation time by 70%. Then there is Claude Cowork. This is for everyone who is not an engineer. A desktop app giving non-technical users access to Agentic Claude. Organize files, summarize documents, automate tasks that used to require an operations team. Cowork brings the power of Opus and Sonnet to business users who just want to get things done without writing code. Underneath it all is MCP, the Model Context Protocol. This is how Claude connects to the real world, your database, your CRM, your calendar. MCP gives Claude permission to reach into systems and act on them. Not just read, act. That is the difference between an assistant talking about your data and an agent using it. Now, the 4th model, Claude Mythos, released early 2026, built under Project Glasswing. Mythos is not available on the API. Anthropic gave this model to critical infrastructure operators and cybersecurity partners. Its job is autonomous vulnerability scanning. It reads operating systems and network stacks at a depth no human team could match. Mythos finds holes before attackers do. Most internet content refuses to cover this. Now you know it exists. Here is how you actually choose which Claude to use. Need speed at low cost? Haiku. Building for production? Sonnet. Solving a genuinely complex problem? Opus. Want to stop coding line by line? Claude Code is the interface changing how you work. The companies winning the next 2 years will not be the ones with the biggest GPU clusters. They will be the ones that understand this stack. They know when to use the cheap model, when to deploy the smart one, and how to wire it together using MCP. Anthropic built this stack with one goal: make AI useful enough that replacing it becomes unthinkable. And they are already succeeding. Thank you.